Okay.
Who knows what is going on, guys? We are doing a second part. You already know our second part. We told that we're gonna make a house tour in the second video of Hack a House.
But you didn't remember. You can tell them about your house.
This is my house. Okay, you already saw my house. There's the poster part 2. You didn't see the kitchen, right? Let's see. It's my kitchen.
Can you show what it says?
Yeah, we already showed them all time. You already know. How would they not know? They already saw it.
Where are we going?
Don't you know? We're doing the full house tour.
Huh?
Don't you remember that we're doing the full house tour?
Oh.
Well, where's my sleepers?
You're going upstairs.
No, downstairs.
Oh.
Where's my sleeper? Oh, I forgot it upstairs. Yes, the chicken. Okay, guys. See my sleepers are here. Come on, come on. Okay, don't care about the clippers. You have my mouse removal. You have my hoodie. Okay. So come on downstairs.
No.
We went downstairs. Then come over to the house. Okay, this is Note and PZ and PZ2's bicycle.
It's on cycles.
So that we can just go fast and catch our targets. This is around the house. Okay, that's my car. Right here. This is my car. Nice, shiny, and nice and rumbling. Okay. I'm not gonna lie about that.
Follow me.
Why? This is my phone, okay?
No. Oh, that's not my car.
Hey, that is your car.
No. It started 9.
17, right?
Huh?
17. It's your car. See, 17. That's my uncle's car.
This is mine. 9, 8, 14.
Oh, 12 number 14. It is 17.
See, it's like 2.0.
2.0.
See here, it's my Toyota. This is the whole sign of Toyota and this is
Ooh! Guys, it's someone in Colombo. Hey, he was recording us.
Is that a hacker?
I mean, like, dude, we are the only one hackers over here. So I think he's one of the YouTubers. Guys, comment down below if you think he's a YouTuber. I will turn off my voice changer. Okay, guys. I'm back to normal voice. Hey.
Just show themselves.
My cat. Oh. This cat's so. Hello. Don't run away. Shit.
Come on, let's go upstairs.
Why? I'm going to have fun. I'm just showing a tour of my house. Okay guys, let's go back to the deserty place. I don't know. There's a tree blocking the place. Guys, if I do get a better view, I promise I would remove my mask. I mean, not remove my mask.
I will remove him now. One.
Why are you removing your mask? They already know you're Abdullah.
You see my face? If there's a no, comment
You
down
already-
below.
You already saw your face in part 1, right?
Yeah, and I saw. But smash that like button and yeah.
Comment down below if you're a new subscriber. And my name is Hamdan.
And thumbs
If you're new to the
my name is
new, if you're new to the Scorpy house, Scorpy gang, we can just call it like that. You would have a better and nice merchandise, free merchandise called the Hacker Mask. Guys, this thing's already available in Walmart in Abu Dhabi, Musafa. Inside Abu Dhabi, there's Musafa. So inside Musafa, there's Delma Mall. It's behind Delma Mall.
Yeah.
Walmart.
Yeah.
So
It's near our driving school too.
This over here, I made all of those masks, and this is the first mask I made and sent, right?
Yeah.
And this is the regular kids mask. That I
He
made.
didn't make for me this mask.
Yeah. I didn't have something.
But one time I give you a prize.
Well, actually, that was your plan. I mean, it's your thing. I'm trying to zoom out, but it's not zooming out. Go far. Go a little bit far. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
And then
Yes.
Tomorrow we'll go somewhere else.
Where?
We'll go to Walmart.
Okay. You can buy the hacker mask.
I will buy 4 hacker masks
Hey,
like
what?
this,
Why? Why you 4?
because when this get broke, I will give you another one. You can make it.
Oh, okay. Good one. Actually, what? If I
Hacker mask.
Actually, we do have a hacker. This hacker. What do you say? It's a
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very cool.
Okay, we would go, but after a little bit time.
Oh.
Because we didn't show them the